Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, open iPhone Bluetooth and leave the screen visible. This prevents background app interruptions. Make sure the Jabra Elite 10 has at least 20% charge, then remove it from the case and press and hold the power button until the LED flashes blue and white. This is pairing mode. Once done, keep the earbuds close to the phone, within 2-3 feet. The reason? Bluetooth discovery windows are short, so initiating both sides now avoids timeouts and accidental connections. On your iPhone, tap the Jabra Elite 10 entry as soon as it appears under Devices. That action tells the phone to initiate the secure link. You may see a pairing prompt, accept it, and if a passkey appears, confirm that it matches on both devices. Once you tap Connect, wait for the iPhone to show connected. This final handshake configures audio and microphone profiles. If you grant permissions, the earbuds will route calls and media automatically, which is why you should allow mic access. Complete by testing. Play a song and place a short call to verify both sound and microphone work as expected. This confirms the correct audio profiles are active. Then, open the Jabra Sound Plus app to check for firmware updates and to set controls. Updates often fix connectivity quirks. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by powering off, then press and hold both buttons for about 10 seconds to clear memory. After that, repeat pairing steps. This reset resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.